Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app, and here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. From here we can select one that we want to work on. After we open the project, in the bottom bar there is text. We can just tap on this, and here if we scroll to the right we find the draw in the rightmost corner. Then if we tap on draw, we can select the brush type that we want to draw with, the color that we want to draw with, the size of the brush that we want to use, the opacity, and then we can even select textures, and then we can draw like this. And yeah, save it by tapping on OK. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.